Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw what I'm going to give on my brother's birthday, which is tomorrow. First, draw a square. And draw two lines open. And then we'll connect those two. And then one line like that, and then from here, connect those. Now draw a ring. And on the other side, draw another ring. But make sure you leave some room, and then make a wiggly line, and then two C's. That one is like that, one is the other like that. And now draw lines. Now draw a line. And draw lines here, up here too. And now draw two curves like this. Now draw two lines. And then like that, one, and then make a V, and then another V. And now make two giant ovals. This is my favorite part. And draw two upside down ovals. And draw one line, another line, one line, and another line. And then up, and then like me. And my dad. And then make two lines like this. We're done. You may not understand what this is, the flip-flops. So this is what I want to give to my brother. Now, this is meaning we need a box, and then I'm going to put the flip-flops in the box. Now it's time to color. You can color the flip-flops whatever color your brother or sister likes. And the box. My brother he likes blue. But his cake will be Spider-Man, we're guessing. So I'll use red. I'm done coloring. Actually, I need to color this thing a little bit more. Now I'm done. Bye! Oopsies, I forgot one part. I need to write something on the page. H, A, P, E, B, E, day. I'm done. It's happy birthday. Bye.